2008 Lexus RX 350 two-wheel drive, 89,000 miles. This is the premium package. Power liftgate, backup camera, navigation. Gorgeous car, super clean. Moonroof, leather seats, power liftgate. We have two sets of mats. We have all-weather mats, and we have the original Lexus mats. Cargo car carrier cover is still there. Brand new tires. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. You would never guess this was a 2008, just super clean. Moonroof. Leather seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, telescoping steering wheel, the original Lexus floor mats as I've stated. 89,000 miles. Heated seats. Backup camera. Navigation. Carfax report is clean, no accidents. (2008) Lexus RX 350 two-wheel drive, 89,000 miles. Backup camera, navigation, fully loaded. Needs nothing. Gorgeous car.